Hello everyone. Hope you're doing well as staying safe. I'm Pranay Prem from Maisa Magazine. Maisa's guest for the day is a familiar face on TVC. She has anchored many travel shows and even has made a huge impact on YouTube with All Right Media as well as RVCJ Media. She is none other than Mehak Mehra. And everyone, if you're loving the content from this channel, don't forget to hit the like button and also a sub to the channel would truly be appreciated. Thank you.
Hi Mehak, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing excellent.
Awesome.
Okay, so let's start. Okay,
Yeah.
so your creativity is simply amazing. Be it your vlogs, comedy sketches in YouTube, or content in Instagram. So, when you were a kid, were you like so much determined and self-determined to do this, or were you a shy type of character?
Um, I know one thing for sure. When I was a kid, we used to play Ghar Ghar, especially when all girls used to meet, right? There was this game when we used to just copy our parents and their profession and everything. So my usually few of my friends used to copy being an engineer or a doctor or a teacher. And I, on the other side, have always dreamt of being a dancer because I loved Madhuri Dixit. So a dancer and an actor and expressions basically. I was smitten by how people could express, and so that's how it got me. And plus, my grandfather was a big fan of Madhubala. Okay,
Oh, okay.
and from Madhubala, he was also a big music fan. Like he loved Eric Clapton, he loved Frank Sinatra. So he used to listen to all this music and those expressions and notes. So I actually liked it. So I got myself resonated with that entire music, art, expressions. So yeah, I was driven by these little things.
Okay, well, good to hear, good to hear. So,
Yeah.
while choosing the script, how do you go about it? Do you choose a character having a longer screen time but less importance, or go for a character with just less screen time but more importance? How do you go about that?
Right. To be very honest, Pranay, when I started off, I mean, I'm still in work in progress, right? I'm still learning and I'm still being rejected for so many work. But one thing that I'm so adamant about is the kind of quality. Okay. The quality is something that really is important to me. So even if it's a 10-minute role in an hour long series or whatever it is, but that 10 minutes role should resonate with me, and that character should also resonate with the audience that I'm doing it for. Right. So it doesn't matter for me that how much of a screen space it is, but it matters to me how am I being portrayed? How important is that character? And how can it change that particular stance of the entire series or a film or a YouTube sketch? Or even if for that matter, a travel vlog. Even if I'm coming as a guest, but if I know that I'm coming in and I'm just throwing away that thing that relates with people and that brings some smile and joy on people's face, I think my work there is done. So that's how I look at it.
Whether it be big or small, you give your 100%, right? Okay.
That has always been. In fact, while I was doing theater also, when we started off doing theater, that was in the first time I actually did theater was a street play in class 6th, where I acted like a Jamura and I had a Madari. There was the entire concept of environmental where we were trying to portray environment. So I had like a 2-minute role and I started crying as to why do I have a 2-minute role? I want to be a part of the entire play. And that's where my sir's name was Dharminder. He came in and he told me that it's okay, that's how you start, but that 2 minutes should be the best time of your life. So that has
Oh,
always been registered in my head. Yeah.
okay, cool. Okay, now moving on. Regarding content that do you rely on audience feedback, or is it just you do according to what you feel is right? How do you do about it?
Honestly, it's a mix of both. See, at the end of the day, I'm creating content for everybody to watch, right? And if I want to create something for myself, I'll do it for my own and I'll keep it somewhere somewhere in the corner. But at the end of the day, I create content of anybody who creates something. It's for the audience to relate with it, because of which I'll be able to create more, right? So there's this reinforcement factor from my audience also, that okay, my audience is being, they are able to relate with my content. So I create into in a okay. Now that's a difference. I don't go with the trending content. कि ये trending
Okay.
हो रहा है तो चलो let's do this.
Yeah,
But
let's
I
go.
do something which is tad bit different and not be the part of the crowd. But at the same time, I need to be able to make content or create content which relates with my audience, which is whosoever. It could be two people also, it could be just my mom also for that matter, or it could be many. It could be you also.
Oh,
So yeah.
okay.
Yes.
So now talking about social media, what is
Yeah.
your take on it? How important is it? How important is it now in this day and age?
If I swear on my parents, I would leave social media for good. Like for good, okay. But it has become a trend
Don't do that now
now.
because then this interview won't be
Yeah, I'm
possible
not doing
for your audience.
it. Of course not. Know what I'm saying? But social media is the need now because everything is surrounded by it. For example, it's a very funny story. In 2017, when I shifted to Bombay, I had no work. I had just started. So I got into casting with a couple of casting people, and that's where I realized good actors were also not be they were not getting work because on the basis of their following on Instagram. So it has become the need of the hour. So I think if you if you balance your life, your social media life and your personal life in a very well way, then I think it's nice, it's good, it's important. So it should not be the everything of your life. It should Your life should not revolve around it. It is like a part of you. That's how
Oh.
I see it. Yeah.
And talking about the same topic, like every day new and new influencers and actors are coming on social media. So do you face
Yes.
the heat or do you take it as a healthy competition?
Oh my God. It is sometimes a good one. Sometimes I see it cringy. Um, yeah, if I have to be more,
Oh.
it's more healthy, I would say. I'm being
Oh.
just manipulative here.
Fine, fine,
Healthy, I would just say safer answer. Yeah.
fine. Okay. Then you are a traveler, writer, actress, and model. So which tagline suits you the best?
I am not a model. I'm an actor for sure. See,
Yeah,
that's where
actress.
I
Yeah.
feel, yeah, I feel that's where people have to understand. This is true to line between an actor and a model. Model is also an artist, an actor is also an artist. But an actor is slightly different from what models does. Um, I mean, I need to break the stereotype. I am 5'3" and models are 5, 6, 7 and above. So
Oh.
I don't see myself as as a model. I don't see myself as a model. Matlab, if I'm getting good work as a model, I do it if it's a good brand. But I am more of an artist. And when I say artist, I love expressions. Okay. And I want to be able to express myself emotionally, even if it's a neurological expression, it's in whatever it is, my way of expressing emotions is through my expressions, which I feel while I was in theater, I've learned it that it could be like as a dancer and it could be also in the form of acting. So I chose acting for myself. So I would just call myself as an actor. Traveler, I got an opportunity to host few travel shows in past, and I really enjoyed it because who doesn't like traveling? Come on, let's be honest.
Yeah.
So I got the opportunity. I was like, why not? I'd rather make the most of it, and I should just do it.
Okay. So between going about a traveler as well as an actress, which as an artist, which do you prefer the most?
Don't type it, but traveler.
So good to get this
Yes.
info.
Yeah, that's like a top secret. Yes.
Okay. So as an artist, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
I do an Imtiaz Ali film for sure. I know that. I want to do that. And rest, I don't know. अगर कोविड के अलावा कोई और पैंडेमिक नहीं आता है तो देखो.
Well, fingers crossed.
Absolutely, totally. So yeah,
Oh,
that's the plan now.
okay. So, lastly, Mysa Magazine's ambition is to provide a platform for underrated Indian artists of all kinds to be recognized for their talent. So, what piece of advice do you have for the ones who want to make it large?
I think we'll just be patient. I mean, I'm not very patient. I have phases in every 3 weeks where what am I doing in life? Have I not accomplished anything? I keep having those dramatic, emotional roller coaster inside me. But I think at the end of the day, what keeps me at peace is A, to be more patient because that's the way about it. You can't help it. And B, surround yourself with good people who who keeps encouraging you that it's okay and keep moving. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Mehak. This was a wonderful interview. Lots of information we could gather from you. Really fun and really
Yay.
interesting.
Yay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you so much, and I hope we can do this again very soon.
Absolutely. Totally.
Yeah.
Right.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much, Pranay.
Bye.
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 See you.